5 Best Miter Saws. The item number 5 is INCRA Miter1000HD. The new INCRA Miter1000HD is the most refined model yet in the Miter 1000 series. The HD stands for high definition, because the protractor plate's exclusive angle lock indexing system has a whopping 180 angle stops in 1 degree increments with special stops located at 22.5 degrees. The item number 4 is TruePower 919 High Speed. Great for smooth clean cuts in all kinds of materials like hobby and model projects, wood tiles, arrow and bolt shafts, notching arrows and bolts, golf club handles, small picture frames, stained glass window projects and much, much more. The item number 3 is Bosch 120 volt 12-inch. The new and innovative GCM12SD Glide Miter Saw delivers durable precision, compact workspace, and unmatched smoothness of cut. This saw features the axial glide system, which operates by folding the articulated arm flush with the back of the saw, saving up to 12 inches of workspace versus a traditional sliding compound miter saw. The item number 2 is Oshlun LGM01 Miter and Portable. Our new second generation laser guide is the easiest and best way to turn your saw into a precision cutting machine. Installation is fast and easy. Simply replace the outer blade flange with the laser unit. There are no confusing parts or adjustments. The item number 1 is DEWALT DW715 15-amp 12-inch. Adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops delivers repeatable accuracy and worksite durability. Tall sliding fence supports ground molding up to 5 1/4 nested and base molding up to 6 1/2 vertically against the fence while easily sliding out of the way for bevel cuts.